Dhaka is one of the many rapidly growing cities in Bangladesh, and organizing safe and nutritious food is a huge challenge. Pressing issues today are linked to food loss and waste, food safety, and ensuring that nutritious food is affordable and accessible to all. Cities like Dhaka need to think about today's challenges in the face of long-term challenges, in response to urban expansion, population growth in the cities, or climate change impacts affecting food supply and affordability of food in the city. Traditionally, however, food is more integrated into rural than in urban policy and planning. Also, stakeholders in the urban food system are not always geared towards taking joint action, leaving efforts fragmented. In response, FAO, WR and the government of Bangladesh have engaged in the development of the Dhaka Food Agenda 2041.
A lot of action is already taking place by the government and other stakeholders, but there is a need for better collaboration between sectors and stakeholders.
One of the biggest challenges for Dhaka, in every year around 5 lakhs climate migrants migrate to Dhaka. So there is always population growth due to climate migration and expansion of urban areas in lowland or informal settlements.
Dhaka Food Agenda can give a very clear guidance for proper activities implementation in this regard.
To develop the Dhaka Food Agenda 2041, stakeholders from different sectors in Dhaka's food system were engaged. In a foresights and scenarios process, they identified key concerns and defined pressing challenges for the future. City-level consultations were organized, stakeholders interviewed, and thematic working groups established to gain expert input. These processes were facilitated jointly by WR and FAO, led by the Local Government Division under the Ministry of Local Government, Rural Development and Cooperatives of Bangladesh. Together, they ensured the engagement of key institutions, each playing a part in the development of the agenda. City working groups are formed in the 4 city corporations of the metropolitan area, having a key role in the implementation of the Dhaka Food Agenda in their respective city corporations.
Dhaka can be a very important and inspiring example to take and implement these kinds of food agenda in other cities, because it's our learning journey, and the experiences from learning journey we can share it to other cities, and I think the other city will be benefited from this experiences.
The government of Bangladesh encourages cities to plan for a better food system, and Dhaka Food Agenda 2041 is an important tool to achieve this.
The Dhaka Food Agenda 2041 is able to bring stakeholders throughout Dhaka's food system together and unite them towards a joint vision. This is how Dhaka is planning for a sustainable, safe and inclusive food system for all.